Welcome back to digital class, and now we're looking at again the pattern concept type 2 grid pattern. But this question is slightly special because what we have been practiced is about how to find a column, but now this question involves row as well. But let's start with what we have learned. So what we have learned is always again we use the targeted number, we divide by the loyal number. Now, this concept still apply. So let's look at this question in detail. A table with 4 columns is filled with numbers in a certain pattern. The first 4 rows of the table are shown below. So I have this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So this is basically a snake, like a snake, okay? But again, what is my targeted number? My targeted number in this case is 83. So this is 83, okay? 83. Divide by, what is my loyal number here? The same thing, same rules applies here. 1, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9, 10, 11, 7, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Let's try to list down all the numbers at the bottom. Not all, but most of it, so that when we actually compare, it's easier. 8, 29, 30, 31, 21, oh, sorry, I'm missing 22. Okay, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. Okay, I'll just stop here. Now, if you notice, again, what I need to find out is the loyal number. Is this loyal number? Loyal number means what? Means that the number and its multiple will be at the same place. And just what you have tried, you should notice that 8 and its multiple is stuck and stay at the column D. So 8, 16, 24, 32. So this 8 will be my loyal number because this number and its multiple is staying at column D. So divided by 8. So let's try to find out. 83 divided by 8. 1 times 8, 8. 3, 0 times 8. The remainder is 3. And again, this 3 again tells me what? First thing we need to find out. In what column? 3 is in one column. 3 is at column B. So I know the column will be B. But there's another problem here. How do we find row? I know it's 10R3. This 3 gives me basically the column. Then I know this 10 should somehow gives me the what? Gives me the row. How? But how? The problem is how. Now, this is very important now for you to take note. You notice that now, what I'm actually trying to do here is that 8 is at row 2. Row 2, okay? 16 is at row 4. I'm actually jumping like this. Then from here, I jump again here. So basically, I'm like skipping 2 rows here. 2 rows here, 2 rows here. Then it'll be 2 rows here, and 2 rows here. So in this case, means that I know I go to 10 times, right? So it means that I need to go skip, or I kind of jump for how many times? I jump for 10 times. So if I jump for 10 times, then basically means 10 times 2, which is 20. Means that at row 20, I'll be getting what number? Look at here. 8 times 10 is 80. Now, what I want to share with you again is very clearly here. Let me just quickly draw it and show you the whole idea here. This is column A, B, C, D. Now, this 20 and this 80, what does that mean? It means that at row 20 at the part D is 80. But teacher, just now you mentioned that 83, 83 is at column B. So again, row 20 is 10 times 2, row 20. 8 times 10 is 80. So how do we get 83? And do you notice that after each of these 8, 16, all these are actually what? The loyal number, right? The multiples of loyal number. So after this, you go down here, here, then here. You go down here, 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 go down here, here, here. So the same thing here. 80 is here. 81 will be where? Here. 82 will be what? Here. 83 will be where? Here. And here will be row 21. That's why our answer here, very important, is 83. And 83 is column B and row number what? 21. So this 20 is actually for 80. So if we continues down, then I know it's row 21. And that's it. We are done for this question. So again, I hope you try to understand what does that mean. Again, why am I times 2? Because I'm skipping 2 here. 2. Can you see it's row 2, 4, 6, 8 like this. And why I use 10 to times 8? Because this is 8. And 8 times 10, I know that at row 20, at D, I have this 80. That's why I got here 80. And with that, I follow the sequence 81, 82, 83. Then I see column B. And that's why I tell you this is B. Okay, so I hope you understand this. And if you don't understand, feel free to watch it again or feel free to come to school and ask me. And that's all from me for this video. Thank you. See you. Bye-bye.